Keeping your home clean and tidy can feel like a big job, especially as we get older. Maybe you're not moving the way you used to, or maybe you just don't have the energy. But guess what? Staying on top of chores doesn't have to wear you out. With a few simple, smart habits, you might even call them lazy habits, you can keep your space looking great with barely any effort. These tips are inspired by real stories from seniors who figured out how to make cleaning feel easy, uplifting, and even a little fun. Let's jump into these simple home cleaning tricks you can start using today. If you enjoy simple tips that make life easier as we get older, don't forget to hit subscribe. We share helpful advice just like this every week. Number one, use the 1 minute rule. If something takes less than a minute to do, just do it right away. Wipe a spill, hang your coat, pop that dish in the sink. These little moves prevent messes from piling up. Mary, a retired teacher, even keeps a cloth in her pocket and gives dusty spots a quick wipe as she walks by. Number two, get help from smart tools. Robot vacuums, self-wringing mops, and automatic shower cleaners can do a lot of the work for you. One senior even nicknamed her robot vacuum Dusty, her little helper that runs while she sips her morning coffee. Number three, use lazy Susans to reach things easily. These spinning trays aren't just for spices. Put one in the fridge, under the sink, or in the bathroom. Just spin and grab. No more bending or reading. Clara says her pantry feels brand new since adding one. Number four, clean surfaces a little. Each day, wipe counters, your bedside table, or the kitchen table each day. Sarah keeps cleaning wipes in every room and wipes the table after her morning coffee. Little habits like these make a big difference over time. Number five, use a laundry hamper with wheels. Tired of carrying heavy baskets? Get one you can roll. It's easier on your back and makes laundry feel less like a chore. Some folks even use separate rolling hampers for whites, darks, and delicates to save time. Number six, do quick bathroom spot. Cleans keep a squeegee in the shower and use it after each wash. Spray surfaces with a no-rinse cleaner now and then. Diane wipes her tiles while brushing her teeth in the shower. Two jobs at once. Number seven, declutter. Bit by bit. You don't have to do a whole clean out at once. Just remove one thing you don't use or love each week. Some folks keep a small donation box by the door and slowly fill it up. John follows a simple rule. For every new item that comes in, one old item goes out. Number eight, hire help when you can. There's no shame in getting help. Hire a cleaner once a month if it fits your budget, or ask a local teen to pitch in. Margaret saves for this by cutting back on takeout and says it's the best money she spends. Number nine, keep a cleaning caddy in every room. Put basic supplies in small baskets or containers and leave them in each main room. That way, you're not running around the house every time you want to clean a surface. Linda hides hers in pretty baskets that match her decor. Number 10, try the basket trick for clutter. Put a basket in each room and use it to gather stray items during the day. In the evening, take a few minutes to return everything to its spot. Grace even listens to music while doing it. It's her calming wind-down routine. Number 11, clean the microwave with steam. Fill a bowl with water and a splash of vinegar, microwave it for a few minutes, and wipe it clean. The steam loosens everything up and the vinegar smell fades fast. Add lemon for a nice scent. Number 12, use a simple cleaning schedule. Use an app or a paper chart that breaks cleaning into small daily tasks. David's app reminds him to vacuum on Mondays and clean the fridge on Fridays. Emma keeps a checklist on the fridge and says, checking things off feels great. Number 13, set up a drop zone. Choose one spot near your door for shoes, bags, keys, and mail. Joan turned an old table into her drop zone. Peter added hooks for jackets and hats. No more lost items. Number 14, clean while watching. TV, fold laundry, dust shelves, or sort mail while watching your favorite shows. Rob loves pairing chores with sitcom reruns. You'll be amazed how much you can get done during a 30-minute episode. Number 15, reset before bed. Take just 5 minutes before bed to fluff pillows, fold blankets, or tidy up. Elizabeth lights a lavender candle during her routine. George checks the thermostat and locks the doors, then sleeps peacefully. Number 16, choose easy-to-clean fabric switch to materials like microfiber or leather that wipe clean easily. Jane loves how spills just slide off her couch now. Edward replaced his rugs with rubber-backed ones that hose off easily. Number 17, use a rolling cart for chores. Get a small foldable cart to carry groceries, laundry, or cleaning tools around the house. One senior said it's like having an extra pair of hands. Number 18, set a timer for quick bursts. Pick a small job and clean for just 10 or 15 minutes. Alice says when the timer goes off, she's always surprised how much she got done. Frank cleans during commercial breaks. Number 19, keep houseplants to reduce dust plants like snake plants, and pothos are low maintenance and actually help reduce dust. Lily swears by them, and Edward says wiping their leaves counts as cleaning too. Number 20, use all-purpose cleaners. Why juggle a bunch of bottles? A good multi-purpose cleaner can handle most surfaces. Keep one handy in every room and save yourself the fuss. So there you have it. 20 easy, low-effort cleaning tips that can help you stay on top of your home without wearing yourself out. These little habits really add up and make life just a bit more peaceful. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and hit subscribe for more practical ideas made just for seniors like you. And if you have your own cleaning tricks, we'd love to hear them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself and your space.